Hi everyone, Happy Chinese New Year, Happy the Year for a Rabbit. Today let's make my favorite pear drink. It's called xueli in ergong in Mandarin. It has no pear, tremella, goji berry and dates. It's very good for coughing, catching cold and throat clearing. Alright, let's get started. Here are all the ingredients. You must use the snow pear, it is very juicy. Its dot on it looks like snow. Soak the tremella in the water for 15 minutes. Turn it upside down. Cut the pears in large chunks. Remove the seed from the pear. Combine 3 cups of water and 1 tablespoon salt. Mix it evenly. Put the pear in it, mix it, and wait for use. Slice the dates so that it is easier to be boiled. Break the tremella in small pieces with your hand, or you can use the scissors. Remove the end part of it. Wash it carefully, take it out, and set it aside. Let's cook. Prepare 2 quarts of water. Put the tremella in it and stir. Bring to a boil, stir again. Simmer for 20 minutes, stir it from the time to time, it will be more sticky. Add the rock sugar and dates in it. Mix it evenly. Cover the lid and simmer for 10 minutes. Open the lid, toss in the pear. Mix it, cook for 18 minutes with medium-low. If you like the pear is very soft, you can simmer for 10 more minutes. At last, add 3 tablespoons goji berry, simmer for 5 minutes. Alright, it's done. Put it in a soup bowl and serve. You can also put the leftovers in the refrigerator in the fresh zone. The following day it tastes even better. Yum, bon appetit! Thank you so much for watching. If you like my video, thumb up and subscribe. The full recipe is at my YouTube channel at Beijing Dim Sum. Have a good one. I'll see you in next video. Thank you so much.